Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the system so readings are meaningful. Set power profile to high performance and plug in the charger. Once done, open Task Manager to confirm GPU is visible and Device Manager to note the exact GPU model and driver version. Next, download and install GPU-Z or HYNFO64. These tools expose power draw in watts. Do this now so you can move directly into live monitoring without interruptions or ambiguous model names slowing you down. With the tool open, go to the sensor's pane and enable power or package power readings and start logging if available. Then create a consistent load. Run Furmark, Unigen, or a demanding game for 2 to 5 minutes so the GPU reaches steady state. While it runs, watch instantaneous watts, plus average and peak values. Make sure to also note chassis temperature and fan RPM, because thermal throttling can reduce reported wattage. This explains why values change over time. Once you have logged data, compare the measured average and peak wattage to the manufacturer TDP and boost specifications to understand headroom and throttling. If the tool shows no power data, make sure drivers are updated, run the tool as administrator, or try the alternate utility. Integrated GPUs often lack precise sensors. If results are erratic, repeat tests on battery and AC power, and monitor temperatures. Thermal limits or power capping are common causes of inconsistent wattage readings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.